Bakit? Ang mga nakaraan ba na Pangulo, may nakita ba kayong ginawang ganon? Meron ba silang kinulong? Meron ba silang finish na account? Meron ba silang mga investigasyon na ginawa? Wala. Sa akin
Okay.
lang.
Mr. President, sabi ng mga nakafollow sa akin, kamustahin na rin daw po kita. So, kamusta po? Seriously, Mr. President, stop acting like you were the first to expose corrupt officials. As far as I know, Mayor Vico Soto was already questioning one of the Diskaya contractors before all those names started coming out. Instead of grabbing credit, why not show people what your administration has actually done? Kung meron po, di ba? Former President Duterte is already in The Hague. Why keep attacking someone who can't even defend himself here? Why not answer the people instead? Your approval rating is already negative. Explain that. People are not stupid. We know what corruption looks like. Why avoid the Blue Ribbon Committee hearings? Why ignore the calls for a hair follicle test? Why does Martin Romualdez keep avoiding hearings? Every time people ask real questions, you change the topic or blame the last administration. Ganun po ba talaga kayo? No administration is perfect. Alam naman ng tao yan. If you're a public official, answer the hard questions. Stop making excuses and stop grabbing credits. Patunayan nyo bilang presidente na wala kayong kinalaman sa malawakang korupsyon dito sa ating bansa. That's all for now, Mr. President. Bye!